So we're here with Sergio from Baja Racks. Baja Racks is one of the newer entrants on the market, and it's a company that everyone's excited about because they've been providing really high quality, really tough racks at really impressive prices. Sergio, what can you tell us about the Baja Racks?
Well, Baja Rack started basically 3 years ago. We've been doing manufacturing for over 12 years of different products, and we saw the necessity in the market of a well-built roof rack that was affordable. And we started with 2 basic racks for generic models, racks that you could put on factory crossbars. It was the Mule and the Mega Mule. Now, since last year, we started building racks for specific vehicles, like the FJ that we see here for the Land Cruiser 80, 60 series, for 4Runners, Xteras, and in the summer we're going to come out with the Land Rover series of racks.
And so now each of those, the mounting in the rack itself is modified, and the size of the rack is modified to be specific to that vehicle and really kind of optimize its use on that vehicle?
It is.
So now we've got a lot of stuff here. I can't believe this all fits in the rack. Show me how this works.
Okay, this is our basic model. This is the smallest one we make. This is the Mule rack.
And roughly what does something like this cost?
This one retails for $295.
Okay.
So it's very competitive. It's made out of steel carbon with aluminum wind deflector. It comes with the mounts for the factory crossbars of the vehicle. It has a zinc coating and then a powder coating on top of it to fight off rust. And it's a very sturdy rack.
What kind of weight are these things built to handle? I see on the FJ we have an Easy On Series 3 mounted on it. What about the Mule? What kind of weight can people put on these?
They can easily put 300 pounds on the rack. It depends also on the crossbars of the vehicle itself. For instance, on this kind of product, you can put 600 pounds, but the rack's built to 800 pounds.
Now, these crossbars look like you'd be able to mount like a bike rack or something like that on top of those. Is that true?
That is correct. You can mount Yakima and Thule accessories to our racks.
Okay.
We made them so they're compatible.
Boy, that's really great.
Right now we're putting a stretch net. All of our racks come with a stretch net, so the stretch net is included.
And these ends are custom designed to fit over and to lock onto the sidebars?
Correct, yes. And the good thing about this product, like Scott Brady mentioned on one of his articles, this is a product made in Baja. A lot of the components we get from the States, but the final assembly is done in Ensenada, Baja.
Well, it's great to have it all kind of made locally. There's so much stuff that we see that's kind of cheaply assembled in China and other places, and it's really great to see a high quality rack manufactured here. What can you tell us about the FJ Cruiser fitment that you have here?
Well, basically we have 6 mounts that we fabricate. We laser cut all of these parts and we assemble them on the factory mounts. So you don't have to do any drilling. With none of our racks or accessories, you have to do any drilling. You go on the factory mounts, and like I said, there's 6 of them. This one that we're seeing right now here is called the EXP edition, and it's for a rooftop tent. We have others that the rails go all the way to the back, and that will be a regular FJ Baja rack.
And so with this one, the side rails that we have on the Mule have been removed so that you can mount a rooftop tent like this flat. And then on this forward section, it looks like you could just kind of put whatever you want to in there and then use the stretch net to really lock it down tightly.
Exactly. We also have a accessory for the awning that is on the other side, and it's also made for this rack and the regular FJ Baja rack. We also have ladders like this one that we made for this product and for the Hummer. And you can see the locking mechanism down here. It's very, very sturdy. We've had guys that weigh 350 pounds getting up there, and it's very, very strong.
Now, one thing about the rack that I can't help but notice, it looks like you've really gone to great lengths to mount it as low to the roof as possible.
We have. Basically, this rack was designed with the help of the people from the FJ forums. Chris Cornett was the one that started this a year ago. And people have emailed us, send private messages, and how it would be their ideal rack. That's why we played so much with height. We got the optimum height.
So is it fair to say that your racks are really designed from user input to make the rack that the customer really wants to
Totally,
have?
yes.
What else would you like people to know about Baja Racks?
Well, we're a company that supports the community. We have specials for people in the military, firefighters, police. They get a 10% discount. And that our products are very well made, and like I said before, our customer service is excellent.
Fantastic. Well, so as we've heard from Sergio, Baja Racks it's a local company. It's in North America, and it's really high quality design from people that use them, taken from the people that use the racks, and the end result is a very cost effective, very high quality product that delivers what people need. Sergio, thanks so much for talking to us
Thank you
today.
very much.